Truth.
I was celebrating. I didn't have a dime, but I was always focused. I ain't waste no time. I ain't up
This for my room, but this matches my aesthetic. I'm conflicted.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Hey, lover, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your love and wish you could follow up on me.
Remember to grab your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
What is up, you guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy here, back with another video. I know that I've been gone for a minute. But that's because I actually just suffered a really big loss. I lost 15 pounds and your girl is gonna keep on losing. I really honestly didn't like the room that I was in before. I didn't feel like it catered to the type of person that I am or the kind of girl I wanted to be. The girls I get it, and the girls I don't. And this year for 2020, I just wanted to change my vibe, giving me very much natural, neutral. As you guys can tell behind me, there's a huge amount of things in boxes, things that I'm going to use to redecorate my room to give it more of that minimalistic, nice bad girl thing, you feel me, what you're talking about. But yeah, I'm super duper excited to show you guys the pieces that I got. Most of the things that I got are definitely from Amazon, but I also did get some things from like Target, and let's just hop right into it. First couple of things in these boxes, I'm not really sure. Girl, I just seen it. And so this is basically a Tom Ford book. You can actually put some stuff in here. The normal Tom Ford book is like $85, but we're only paying for the aesthetic, so $30 it is. Okay, this is heavy. This could be those little tumbler thingies. Ah, yeah. It's like 2 boxes. It's made in China. Brought out the pink Lamborghini just to race in China. Brought the rape to China just to race in China. Real bad chili chick. I tell all my dudes, cut the check and bust it down. Yo, turn the goofy down. Ah! No, that's not. I'm just splits on it. Yes, splits on it. I'm a bad girl. I'm still fits on it. I'ma bust it open. I would say, honey, shut up. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Wow. Y'all seen that episode of iCarly? Whoa, these are so cute. I'm gonna be renovating my bathroom soon. It will definitely come in handy. Y'all ever see those people on Amazon? If you look at the reviews and they're like so mad, they're like, oh my gosh, all of it came broken. Here it is, Karen. Mine came perfect. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. I think I know exactly what this is. I think it is just basically, yeah. I beg, give me my money back. Shop. What is this? What is this? Next up, I got some pillow inserts and I'm so pissed because what the frick is this? Why is it, huh?
No, there's 2 in there. It's just deflated.
Oh, I was about to
That's
start.
how people be thinking.
Start rioting! Did it fast.
No, that's how people in the reviews be like, what the crap is this? I sent it back immediately. Like, no, it's inflated.
Just have a duvet cover set. But I did get a cover set and it's all white. I want to see that pampas grass. That's exactly what I'm excited for. Oh, this is the cover. Yes, is it going to fit? Oh yeah, it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. I think this is the pampas grass. I'm really looking for pampas grass. It's not pampas grass. Hey, where? Okay, so obviously it's the last one. So next up, I got bow blanket. Ooh, this looks like it. I got this for the aesthetic. I don't think I'm gonna keep my last one. But this is cute though. I got it in a chocolate. Oh wait, I got it in a chocolate to be the last thing. I'm pretty sure this is the pampas grass. Chicago. I don't know how I feel about this actually. I want my money back. Boy, what the heck?
I be from Ziggy and niggas, y'all contradicting.
I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like all the right things.
So this is gonna be the before in all its glory. Beautiful, it's cute. Don't get it twisted, it's cute, but it's just not. It's not where we're trying to go, right? It's not where we're trying to go. Welcome to my new room. Yeah, things I did that. So starting off, when you first walk into my room, the first thing that you see is the side table. I got the side table from Target and I didn't show myself unboxing it because I honestly don't think you guys really would care to see it. I love it so much because it's 2 layers. Number one, on the top I can put whatever I want, my keys, my wallets, all that different kind of stuff. And on the bottom, I just have this slat area where I can put my laptop. Honestly, I don't have a TV in my room. In order to watch Netflix, I always like to have it on my laptop. One thing that I really wanted to make sure is that do not have anything you do not need. If you do not need it, don't get it. I love how sturdy it is. It's a lamp, 2 candles that I got as a surprise on my birthday. And I also got the candle that you saw from Target, don't forget. And the Tom Ford book that you guys saw. It's like another set of storage space because I really have a lot of things that I do need. I ain't gonna lie, I need them, but I just don't have a place to put them. And that box is perfect. This alarm clock that I got from Amazon. Oh my goodness, when I tell you guys that this alarm clock is amazing, it's the truth. I wish I could do a whole review on it because it is just so amazing. You can have 3 alarms on. It's just super duper convenient and I honestly love it. It's really, really, really cute and it's aesthetically pleasing and it's cute and it's aesthetically and it's cute and it's aesthetically. I love it. When I tell you guys that getting some new sheets will literally help your life, get some new sheets. Spoil yourself. I really thought that I wasn't gonna use the textured pillow, but honestly I did and I do not regret it whatsoever. I have 2, 4, 6. I have 6 pillows on. It's needed. It's honestly so needed. Sometimes I want one. Sometimes I just have a lot of pillows. And then on top of that is gonna be my Picasso artwork. So this artwork, I got it from an artist on eBay. Psych, nah. I made it. They told me it looks good. But no, seriously, thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Make sure that you guys like, you comment, and you also subscribe. I'm super duper excited to see where we're going this 2022. And Happy New Year, you guys.